Hey, it's Jazz, and today I want to show you this awesome power tool. This is the Cordless Electric Scissors, and let me tell you, it is going to replace your scissors and your box cutters because it can power through a ton of materials. Now, we've sold things like this in the past. They were super popular, best sellers, and now we found another one that we're bringing to you today. Now, this comes with a self-sharpening rotary blade, and when you put this in your hand, it is so comfortable. Squeezing it is easy, and it also has a safety, so that you have to push the top button in order for it to go. When you squeeze the handle, there's an LED light that turns on at the very front, and that allows you to see exactly where you're going to cut before you can get it to go. We tested this and it was so comfortable to use, and there was virtually no hand fatigue at all. It's so easy to squeeze, and I mean, in comparison to using scissors or box cutters, amazing. The whole set comes with a replaceable blade, a generously long USB-C cord for charging, and this beautiful hard shell zippered case that you can fit everything into plus some. Seriously, get rid of your box cutters and use this instead. It is so much safer. You're going to be able to breeze through them. It does pretty much all the work for you. So why don't you head down to PulseTV and grab some today.